yeah, go and get that wall down. Good to Some people, they send me this video now where I pray. They are telling me that Evangelist Ebukobi claim that he is not the one that gave order for his member to destroy that wall. But let me tell you something that you don't know. The video where Evangelist Ebukobi do to apologize Mountain on Fire Church and to apologize to General Overseer of Mountain on Fire, Evangelist Ebukobi did not open his mouth to say that he did not order his member to pull down the wall. No, he did not say that. If una dey talk something, make una dey talk the truth. Make una know they use because of money where una dey make on social media, they lie against somebody. Evangelist Ebukobi no talk say no be me order them to do more. He's the one that ordered them to do the thing. But the bloggers turned the story upside down in form of Zion Ministry. They mock Mountain on Fire, which is not truth. They are not pulling that wall down to mock Mountain on Fire. No, jubilation over happiness, that miracle. Because that place where they see now, they are trying their best, begging these people to set that place for them. And later the thing can't happen. Overjoy. Overjoy. As I said before, you where they talk this thing now, if your country or your club they play football match and your country or your club score goal, you will shout. Some of you will shout goal. Even some of you go put down their shirt where they are rejoicing. Their club or their country score goal. So Zion Ministry is not against Mountain of Fire, and Mountain of Fire is not against Zion Ministry. Make una stop all those things where they talk online. I hear some people say that why Evangelist Ebukobi order his member to destroy that fence? Why can't he go and call the labelers, people where they do a job, make them come use their hand to break down wall, and Zion Ministry go pay the money. But sometimes church will buy land and the members of the church will come, carry machete, clear the forest where they for that land where church bought. Sometimes church members will come help build the church. So if Zion Ministry destroy that wall, whether na Zion Ministry destroy that wall or then call people where they do job to destroy them, all of them are the same. Even if members do them, then go receive blessing that they have worked for God. Can you show me the video where Evangelist Ebukobi say that he's not the one that ordered these people to do that thing? What Evangelist Ebukobi said that he's not aware that those people where they destroy that fence, they are mocking Mountain on Fire. But in that video, I did not see them. I did not see Zion Ministry members mocking Mountain on Fire. No. What I saw in that video, they are jubilating, rejoicing over happiness. I did not see any of them condemning or insulting Mountain on Fire. So Evangelist Ebukobi came online to apologize because he's the one that ordered it. He's the one that ordered it. But unknowing to him that bloggers will turn the story upside down, unknowing to him that after they destroy that fence, some bloggers go turn the story upside down to use it to bring Mountain of Fire and the Zion Ministry to crash them, make two of them start having misunderstanding. Finally, Evangelist Ebukobi and Zion Ministry, they are not against Mountain of Fire. They are not against Mountain of Fire. And Mountain of Fire is not against Zion Ministry. Make una stop this the one that they talk online. Because they are pulling down the wall, rejoicing, jubilating that this land, they are trying their best, begging these people to save for them. Then don't let her get them. They are over happy. They are over happy. Now you people don't turn the story upside down. When I don't turn the story upside down, look at these people, they are mocking Mountain of Fire. Zion Ministry, not the mountain of fire. Make una stop all those things when they talk. All these bloggers, all these content creators, make una stop all those things when they talk. But let me stop this message here. I'm still your brother, Evangelist Ebube Joseph Ezagoba. Shalom.